Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Happy to be coming back out to KW Plainville. This is going to be a September 10th workshop, the Realtors AI Playbook and Become Google Great. Now we're going to be doing this at Keller Williams Elite. The morning session is going to be all about AI, how to get ranked on AI, smarter business with AI tools from leads to loyalty. I'm also going to show you some of the amazing tools and techniques that Google Gemini has rolled out, which, by the way, if you're not taking advantage of that, totally missing the boat. Amazing tools. We'll then take an in-house lunch break. We'll come back at 12:30, and we're going to do Become Google Great. Again, I'm going to show you some other tools and techniques that Google has been providing to business owners for many years, and we're going to effectively set up our Google business profile page. Now, some of you may have been in the class where we've done that in the past. We've got to make sure we feed it, and there's a lot of new techniques that have rolled out here recently. So even if you've seen that in years past, you need to re-attend to see all these new tools and techniques. It is free in person for all of the Keller Williams agents in that office. And then we are also going to have the opportunity for you to earn 4 hours of Massachusetts CE credit. So let's pack the house, and I will see you guys in September. Thanks.